now time for the contract signing for the TBS Championship match coming up next Sunday at Double or Nothing. Please welcome the challenger, Mercedes Mone.
Mercedes Mone just 11 days away from making her in-ring debut for All Elite Wrestling, and it will be for a shot at the TBS Championship and Willow Nightingale.
I think it's more than just the title on the line here, and I think you guys would agree. It's a bad blood that has existed between these two ladies since their time together in New Japan Pro Wrestling.
Yeah, Taz, it's very clear that Mercedes not only blames Willow Nightingale for the career-threatening ankle injury that Mercedes suffered, but she also thinks that potentially it was intentional by Willow Nightingale.
Well, I can understand why Mercedes would think that, and I don't blame Willow. I mean, it's a competitive situation. Yeah, you don't want to put people on the shelf, but something's got to have that kill-or-be-killed attitude. You'd rather be them than you, but obviously Mercedes never lacking confidence.
Such a huge event coming up in Las Vegas on Sunday, May 26th, MGM Grand Garden Arena, where it all began 5 years ago for All Elite Wrestling.
And now please welcome our champion, the face of TBS, Willow Nightingale.
What a career this young lady's had. You're talking about winning the Owen Clark Foundation Cup on the women's side, now the TBS champ.
See Chris Statlander behind her and Stokely in the house.
Yeah, Stokely, one of your favorites, I know that.
Stokely are buddies. Willow, I think she just said to Statlander, I got this. Willow wants to face Mercedes Mone, wants to face the CEO by herself, woman to woman.
Well, Willow's a very proud woman, proud champion. That doesn't surprise me.
And she has had quite the rise here in AEW. Will it grind to a halt at Double or Nothing? We will find out. Renee, take it away.
Ladies, this is such a highly anticipated match between the two of you. Of course, so much history, but also the AEW in-ring debut of Mercedes Mone. So without further ado, champ, you are up first. Sign away, make it official.
So, CEO, I do respect you. I've said it before, and I really do mean that. I respect you. I respect everything you've done in your career. But I need to know, do you respect this? This is the TBS Championship. It's a championship that celebrates the legacy of professional wrestling. A legacy that dates back over 50 years on this very channel. A legacy built on fighting, on hard work, dedication, and defending. Making a name for yourself in the face of obstacles. That is something that every woman who's held this title represents. That's what my friend Chris Statlander in the back represents. And now I'm the face of TBS. And this smiling face, every time this smiling face walks on down in the ring, you see on my Titantron, nothing matters. Smile anyway. And to me, that means through all the doom and gloom, I look for something to smile for. My smile is my strength. And professional wrestling is just that. And this title is what matters to me. So through all of that, I am not gonna let you just walk into AEW and take that away. Not now, not a double or nothing, never.
Please say hello to your CEO. Now, Willow, you want to talk about legacy to me? You know, money changes everything is not just a catchphrase, it's a fact. Back in 2015 at Brooklyn, while you were still training, I was out here creating and changing the game forever. You want to talk about dedication? Scratching and clawing your way to the top? What about breaking down the doors and kicking down glass ceilings? That's what I did. You wouldn't be here without me, Willow. And look, I respect you. I have so much respect for you. I think you are a great champion. But there is a difference between being great and being the greatest of all time. Now let's talk about the face of TBS. I mean, you should be looking at the new face of TBS. That's right. I've known you see me on the red carpet, throwing out the first pitches, sitting courtside, because that's what a CEO does. And now, Willow, I know the best part of your career was beating me, but at double or nothing, now that I am healthy, you losing will still be the best part that ever happened to you. Because my legacy, it's all about winning.
You keep believing that. Because the last time we wrestled, I walked away a champion. And you didn't walk out at all.
Wow.
God, I love contract signing.
Whoa! I don't blame Mercedes for slapping her after that comment.
Some spicy words there from the TBS. Oh, Mercedes! She tried to use the belt, and now Willow!
Oh, God. Dr. Bomb Dumb giving it. You can see it's coming.
Whoa! Nightingale just put Mercedes Mone through a table!
With ease.
What a match that's going to be at Double or Nothing.
May 26th cannot get here soon enough. Willow Nightingale, Mercedes Mone, one-on-one for the TBS Championship. Well said.